Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app browser on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on Initialize, now click Settings, and now click Chat Settings. Now here you will find this in-app browser, just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that is for today. That's how to turn off in-app browser on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.